Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today we are here with a big box from Ever Sassy.
Welcome, lovelies. It's a big box. I peeked a little. It's beautiful colors. All my colors.
Yes.
We just made ourselves a little espresso. Cheers.
Cheers.
In the cutest little Dutch cups that Tessa bought me.
They're so cute.
They're so adorable.
I know.
And you know what? Coming back from the Netherlands, it's so nice to have a small cup of coffee.
Yeah, I agree.
A good small cup of coffee.
A good small cup of coffee.
It's lovely.
It is lovely. I agree. We have all these little cups. It's our thing.
Yeah. Okay, so we are unboxing
Ever Sassy. And Ever Sassy is an offspring line from Dolcezza, which is designed in Montreal but made in Turkey.
Yeah.
And Ever Sassy has a bit more of a funky flair to it. We like it.
Does.
It's got that European feel.
Yeah, it's cute.
Yeah, it's really cute.
Yeah.
But you look fabulous.
Well, I feel very...
You're beautiful.
I feel very important in this dress.
I love it.
It's nice, eh?
It's so beautiful on you. It is the dress you wore in the picture that we took when we first got Ellen Bika in.
It's true.
And I feel like it screams Lousje.
Oh my. Does that mean I can take it home?
You never ask. You never ask anyway.
Oh my goodness, I do. Hey, look at this.
I know.
It's so funky,
it's
isn't
cool,
it?
Eh?
It's so cool.
Soriglio.
And
Yeah, beautiful and gorgeous.
And this is
a beauty too.
This is beautiful.
I know. I'm surprised we still have it. It
I know.
comes long as well, ladies.
And it comes really long. And then I thought I'm not jazzed up enough yet, so I grabbed one of these cuties.
You are grabbing that every day.
Just to finish it off.
I know. It's gorgeous.
It just adds a little more interest, don't you think?
Yeah. So
funky.
artsy.
Funky is the word.
Yeah.
Look at you.
I know. This is one of my favorite dresses.
It is.
It has
and it
pockets.
looks so nice on you.
Thank you. And it comes also in the black with white, but it's so nice and light.
V-neck. Yeah.
And then I put on the bliss.
Oh yeah. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, we sell that one as is.
Oh,
and we do have more bliss coming, ladies, so watch out.
Yeah.
We are restocking.
Also, the red cords coming in
yes.
too? Because they went very quickly.
Yeah, and then the yellow, and there's blue coming.
Cobalt blue, I bet
cords. No, it's a different blue, but
really?
It's nice. It's beautiful.
Nice.
Yeah, and then this is one of my favorites from Soriglio.
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah. Gorgeous. Okay, let's open up the box and show the ladies what is new. Look at this. You're going to have to style these. I always say that. Lousje's the queen of pants.
Yeah, okay.
This is such a great pant.
Great.
Look
I already can tell. Beautiful cut.
It's going to fit amazing.
Beautiful. A nice weight.
Nice weight.
Yeah.
And then look at the bottom, ladies. It's got a little slit, which is so cute.
I love that.
Great detail.
I love that.
And
just
what
a little hello.
Hey?
Oh,
what a color.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. And then the sand.
Sand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Classic.
All my colors. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
You would look stunning in both of these.
Yeah, beautiful. And the size is extra small.
Yeah, extra small to double X, so fitting great. And I love this thick band. That's
yeah,
gonna be
and
great.
this cord too, eh?
Beautiful.
Pockets, beautiful.
And then matchy.
Matchy. Oh.
Mix and match. You could mix and match them or match them together.
Nice. Very nice.
This looks like it's generous fitting. That's an extra small there.
Oh yeah, for sure.
But beautiful. And then in the
back
it's
got...
got...
color, that shawl color.
Yeah, it's got
cowl. And a little pointy.
The little pointy on the bottom, yeah.
Yeah, and nice length too, eh?
Yeah, and look at all the little details.
Great.
It'll be a great, nice light top for the summer.
Yeah.
In the sand as well.
Beautiful.
So beautiful sets here, ladies.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah, they do such a good job.
Yeah.
And their photographs are really beautiful too.
Oh, is that
right? With their models. Yeah, they always do a really nice job.
Yeah, some companies do and some companies don't, right?
Yeah, some don't do any. But look, ladies, if you don't want to wear sleeveless, look at this beauty.
Oh, a little boxy.
Yeah.
Oh, love that.
And look at buttons on the side.
How cute is that?
So cute. A little flip.
A little quarter?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I love this.
And again, that's a nice boxy fit, which is going to fit really great. And
a nice little shawl,
an extra small.
a little cowl.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a drop shoulder, so the sleeves will come here.
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice.
So we'll get Lousje to style these up for you tomorrow, ladies.
Yeah, extra small.
And hopefully there's some dresses in here for me. Because you'll be on your own with the pants.
I don't think so. I don't think so.
So we got matching colors as well. So
Yeah,
the
beautiful.
pants and all the tops in both colors.
Beautiful.
Gorgeous. Oh,
There you go.
stunner.
That's got Tessa on it.
No,
really.
Style up.
Really.
I cannot wait. This is the same silhouette too, ladies, as the print we got in
I know.
last month.
I know.
But now in a solid that we ordered.
Love this line here.
Yeah.
A reinforced seam with a nice pocket.
Yeah.
Yeah, great.
It's a great fit. Nice A-line.
Yeah. And nice length.
Nice
and
length.
this too, reinforced and pre-washed.
Pre-washed linen.
Yeah.
100% linen.
Yeah.
Beautiful weight too. It's not going to wrinkle too much.
No, not at all.
Oh my goodness. Do you see these?
I see. Oh, dresses?
Same dress
Oh
in this
my.
beautiful vibrant color.
Oh wow.
Look at that.
Oh, that's green summer.
That is aqua.
Aqua, aqua. Oh my
Full
God,
size.
I love it.
Gorgeous.
Beautiful.
I love it. And this, I cannot wait. This is my fave. Last but not least, look at this color.
What a color. Oh, that is a beautiful.
It's
oh,
scrumptious.
Tessa.
It's like a watermelon.
Oh, a blue with a blue in it. Yeah.
I can't wait. I'm going to wear my matching lipstick.
Oh, you're going to style all three?
I'm going to style all the dresses. And
Yeah,
you can do the
okay.
pants. All right, ladies, that is our unboxing of the beautiful collection from Ever Sassy.
Love.
It's so beautiful.
Do you have occasions to wear these too this summer? Are you going anywhere special?
Well, if Lee's wedding, I could wear it too.
That's right.
Yeah, that we're both going to.
Oh, that's right. I forgot about
Yeah,
it.
one of my-
backyard wedding.
Backyard wedding. One of my brother's, one of his best
Very
friends.
good
from
friends.
My middle brother, well, Josh, he met Lee in high school at DM.
Yeah, and they played hockey together.
And they went to Canisius College together and hockey scholarships.
Yeah, that's right.
And
That's
we've
right.
been really
Really
close
good
with
friends.
their whole family.
And the whole family.
So he's getting married, which is so exciting.
in the backyard.
And he's
yeah.
having a beautiful backyard wedding. So I would definitely wear one of those. Absolutely.
For sure.
Yeah.
Because it's casual, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, this is definitely
Yeah.
a backyard casual wedding dress.
Yes.
Yeah.
So ladies, the renos are going, and we're so excited, but me and Colleen are there working behind the scenes. So if you need anything, please let us know. You can pick up at the boutique, you can order online, free delivery, over $100. We're doing free deliveries in St. Catharines.
Don't be a stranger because we are still there for you.
Yeah, and we can't wait.
Exactly.
It's gonna be great.
Okay, lovelies. Well,
Yeah, please thumbs up if you like this video, and we can't wait to style these goodies up for you in the next few days, so watch out for that. And
keep on smiling.